Hi, this is Anupam. This is my first video, and today we are going to unbox the Redmi 3S 16GB version in dark grey color. So let's open the package. You can see that I have bought this from me.com at around 6,999 during the Diwali time, and the unit I've got is in dark grey color. So this is the box which contains the unit, I think. This is the tax invoice of 6,999 rupees from me.com. And this is a greetings card from me.com on the occasion of Diwali. On this festival of lights, Me India wishes you and your family a very prosperous and a happy Diwali. Thank you, me.com. So let's open the box. So you can see that it is made in India, and I think you know the specifications, but just for your reference I can say that it packs a Qualcomm Snapdragon 430 octa-core chipset. It contains a 2GB RAM along with 16GB ROM. It packs a 13 megapixel phase detection autofocus rear camera and a 5 megapixel front camera, and it also has a 4100 milliampere hours battery, which Me India depicts that it will give a 2-day battery backup. So let's open the box. So there is a seal, we have to open it. So we have cut through the seal. Let's open the box. So here we can see the Redmi 3S 16GB version in dark grey color. It contains the phone itself. Look at the phone, it looks quite nice. We can see. It packs a 5-inch 720p HD IPS display in the front, the 13 megapixel rear camera and a front 5 megapixel camera. This is the 16GB version along with 2GB RAM. It contains the 3 touch capacitive buttons on the bezel, which are not backlit. On the back you can see, on the right side you can see the volume rockers and the power button. And it contains the IR blaster and the 3.5mm headphone jack in the front. On the left side we can see the hybrid SIM card tray slot, and in the bottom we have the micro USB charging and data syncing port. On the back we got the 13 megapixel rear camera along with the flash These are the documentations, I think, along with the SIM ejector tool. So these are some documentations regarding the phone, the warranty informations, the SAR value informations and everything. This is the SIM ejector tool. That it comes with the box. This is the power adapter for charging the phone. Um, it supports quick charge 1.0. the the phone does support quick charge 2 and 3, but the power adapter is a 5 volt 2 ampere power adapter which supports only quick charge 1. Let's power on the phone. So we can see the logo of me. So you can see that it is powered by MIUI 7. Actually it is running on MIUI 7. It's powered by Android. We have selected the region and language. Now it's checking for SIM cards. So it's asking to sign in Google account. So I will quickly sign in to my Google account. So we have set up the phone. So it is asking for the theme whichever I like. So I've selected my theme and we are done. It says you are ready to rock. So this is the phone after the initial setup. Looks quite nice. The display looks crisp and clear. I will show you the camera. The photo looks nice and contains the details. So guys, thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please hit the subscribe button or the like button.